It takes a lot of resources to make Auburn University one of the top universities for education, research, and outreach. Buildings, other structures, and various Auburn-owned items, such as microscopes, tractors, and 3D printers, are considered valuable university assets and need to be protected. Sometimes we assume that just because something belongs to Auburn or that it's on Auburn's property, that it's covered under insurance. However, that's not always the case. As a state entity, Auburn must participate in the State Property Insurance Program administered by the Alabama Division of Risk Management. Typically referred to as the State Property Policy, this insurance product provides coverage for direct physical loss or damage to buildings, other structures, and Auburn-owned contents. But let's break down the State Property Policy a bit more. It covers buildings and other structures, such as barns, sheds, and storage buildings. It also covers Auburn University-owned contents, such as computers, laboratory equipment, office supplies, and furniture. Personally owned items are not eligible for coverage. For each covered loss, a $5,000 deductible applies to each building. In addition, a separate $5,000 deductible applies to contents. However, if Auburn, and more specifically Auburn Risk Management and Safety, doesn't know about a building or what's happening to those buildings, then your department may end up with an uninsured loss. So, always notify Risk Management and Safety if a new building is being built, a building is being renovated, a building is vacant or no longer used, or a building is demolished or removed. We do our best to stay informed and know what's happening, but it always helps to have a heads up. We just want to protect the university and your department's assets. The State Property Policy also extends coverage for business property, such as contents and equipment, owned by Auburn and usual and customary to the operations of Auburn. This property must be located within 100 feet of Auburn-owned or insured buildings for this coverage to apply. So, if you have a piece of machinery or equipment that is located more than 100 feet from an Auburn-owned and insured building, let Risk Management and Safety know. We can provide coverage options. Of course, with any insurance, there are some things that aren't covered and some exclusions. Some property not covered include automobiles, semi-trailers, or any self-propelled vehicles or machines licensed or eligible to be licensed for road use. Some exclusions include wear and tear, unexplained mysterious disappearance, and theft unless there are visible signs of forced entry. This is not an exhaustive list of all the exclusions that apply. To report a claim or incident, please visit the Auburn University Risk Management and Safety website at aub.ie/claims. Your department will have some responsibilities following a loss. Report the loss to Risk Management and Safety immediately. Take photographs to document the damage. Protect property from further damage. Make necessary temporary repairs. Document all costs associated with the loss, including labor and material costs. Cooperate fully with Risk Management and Safety and the insurance adjuster. Make the property available for inspection. Do not dispose of the property without the adjuster's approval. Risk Management and Safety is here to make the claims process as easy as possible. If you have any questions, please email aurmi@auburn.edu. For more information on filing a claim, please watch our tutorial videos found at aub.ie/rmi-vid.